wondered how Cheetos get their famous light crunch and bold, cheesy flavor? It all begins with one simple ingredient: high-quality corn. After being harvested from carefully managed farms, the corn is transported to the factory, where it undergoes a thorough cleaning process. Advanced screening systems remove dust, stones, and other impurities, ensuring only premium quality kernels move forward. Every batch is carefully inspected because consistent raw materials are the foundation of every perfectly crunchy Cheeto. The cleaned corn kernels are then fed into powerful industrial mills, where they are ground into a fine, golden cornmeal. This cornmeal is sifted to achieve a uniform texture before being mixed with precisely measured water to create a smooth dough. Maintaining the correct moisture level is essential, as it directly affects the final texture. Once prepared, the dough is ready for one of the most important stages of the entire manufacturing process. The dough enters a high-pressure extruder, where heat and pressure transform it into a soft paste. As it exits the machine, the sudden drop in pressure causes the moisture inside to instantly expand into steam, creating the light, airy texture that makes Cheetos so crunchy. The snacks are then cut into uniform pieces, cooked to perfection, and coated with their signature cheese seasoning inside large rotating drums. After passing through quality inspections, the finished Cheetos are automatically packed into sealed bags and shipped to stores, ready to become one of the world's favorite snacks.
Wow, Cheetos! Finally!